I'm Hannah from Tasty, and I'm here with my family. We are self-isolating, and the kids are out of school, which means all of us are home all day long, pretty much. And stir crazy is an understatement, but one really great way to keep kids occupied and entertained and keep them focused is to cook together. So we'd like to show you some of our easiest favorite recipes that we like to cook together. This is Jackson. How old are you?
8.
This is Wyatt. How old are you?
5.
And this is Henry. And how old is he?
3 months.
3 months. And so it's all of us together. We're going to do this, and today we're going to show you our very favorite no-bake pudding bars. First and foremost, clean hands. Did we all wash our hands?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? Awesome. So let's start with the crust. Now, I'm going to be offering a lot of substitutions for all of this because, let's be real, the grocery stores are bananas right now. You can't even get bananas right now at our grocery store. So luckily, these recipes are very flexible. Even the amounts are very flexible. So you can kind of just wing it with whatever you have. The first thing we're going to make is the crust. We're using shortbread cookies. I bought these on sale, not really knowing what I was going to do with them a while back, and here we are. So we're going to place some shortbread cookies in big plastic bags. Do you guys want to do this? You put this one in this bag, and Wyatt, you will put this one in the other bag. We'll see how much we get.
I love cookies.
You could use graham crackers for this. You could use chocolate cream sandwich cookies. You could use pretty much any kind of cookie you love. This is a very, very flexible recipe. Do you get them all? So we're gonna seal these up. Boom. So we only have one rolling pin. So Wyatt, you are going to use your rolling pin, and Jackson, you're gonna use your pure Hulk strength to smash these cookies. You want them in fine little bits. Ready? Begin. Oop, it looks like those all need a little bit more crumble, you guys. Oh yeah, these crumble up really nicely. Let's do a little Wyatt once over. How do those look?
Good. It feels like a squishy.
So this is very finely crushed. And then this guy, out like a light. So we want about 3 cups of crushed cookies. 1, okay, that's 2.
Now 1 more.
We don't want to lose any crumbs. Oh yeah, give it a whip. Smell? You're thirsty? Okay. Take plenty of water breaks. So Wyatt, you're gonna add the butter to the cookie crumbs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Looks good.
It's the butter volcano.
And then you stir that guy up.
Okay.
Jackson, you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Very gently though, remember, gentle. 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 This is a great consistency. I think we're ready to press this into the pan.
Eat it.
Look, I've already lined this 8x8 baking dish. This is lined with some parchment. We're gonna get all of this in.
Oh yeah. Get all those cookies in. Those are so yummy.
Okay, so we're gonna take our cup and press this crust down. Can you guys do a little go over?
Oh, that's okay. Nice crust.
Gentle. Gentle. Gentle.
Yeah. Now let's get.
What? This is gonna chill. We'll refrigerate this while we make our filling. This is a really easy pudding filling. So we have one, I think it's a 3.4 ounce, 1 packet of pudding. And can we whisk that up? What do we say when we do it?
Gently. Gentle. It's bubbles. I mean, it's bubbles.
Let's see the consistency of this. It's thicker. We only used about half as much milk you're supposed to add. Okay, who's doing whipped cream?
Wyatt.
Wowza.
So big.
Quick break to taste.
Pudding.
How's that?
Delicious. Delicious.
So instead of whipped cream, you can use whipped topping from the freezer. How's that taste?
Good.
Wyatt, how do you feel?
Amazing.
Okay, so we're gonna learn how to fold in. So we want to pull it up from the bottom and fold it back on top and push. So you wanna try?
Yeah.
You're doing a great job folding. Excellent. Wyatt, would you like to try?
Yes.
Okay.
This looks
Beautiful. Great stirring. It's almost ready to pour over our crust. Here, let me do a couple just to get the bottom. Oh my gosh, this looks delicious. I would just eat this out of a bowl.
I would eat it out of a bag.
Let's pour it onto the crust, okay? Here we go. I'm gonna pour this in for you guys. And then you're gonna spread it out. Can you spread it out, Wyatt?
Okay.
Gentle. What do we say?
Gentle.
While the bars are in the fridge, we're going to make a quick chocolate ganache. This is totally optional. You don't have to make this. They're good to eat as they are once they've chilled. But we just have chocolate chips and we have cream, so we're gonna do it.
Sprinkles.
And we have sprinkles. Why not? Let's get festive. So this is hot cream. This is gonna go over some chocolate chips. This hot cream is gonna melt the chocolate chips. And all we did was microwave it for about 45 seconds. Look how glossy this is, guys.
Yes, glossy over. Glossy
Jackson, you want to finish it off? What do we say when we're stirring? Gentle. Gentle.
Gentle. Gentle.
What are you saying, right?
Gentle.
Okay.
Time to pour. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Chocolate.
The master snack.
The master snack.
You mean the master dessert? No, the master snack.
All right, Wyatt. Sprinkle time.
Yeah, like that salt guy.
Salt Bay.
Salt Bay. Salt Bay, Salt Bay. Ah, you're going to attack.
Okay, that's it.
Dun, dun,
Wow.
Just sprinkles.
Okay, so our pudding bars are in the freezer. That's where you can put them if you want them to set up a little quicker. We want to eat them after dinner, so we're gonna put them in the freezer. You can also set them in the refrigerator. I think we need... Who did that? I'm watching these clips as I'm uploading them. Somebody farted. The good thing about these desserts is while they're setting in the freezer, that means in order to have a piece, we gotta have good behavior while they're freezing, right?
Good behavior.
Good behavior, calm, don't jump off the bunk bed, don't run into a closed door because we're running in the house, right?
Yeah.
Don't kick your brother.
Yeah.
Don't kick your brother. Right? And so if there's really good behavior while the bars are freezing, we can have one after dinner. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Doesn't this look amazing?
That looks amazing.
Yummy. You want to take it to the table?
Yeah, this is mine.
Oh, goodbye. Give it a try. Is it good?
So good.
Did we do a good job? How's it look, Wyatt? You guys did amazing. You proud of yourself?
Yeah.
It was easy, huh? Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, yes!